Why does your sunburn peel after a few days? The answer reveals a surprising process your skin uses to heal and protect itself from serious damage. Sunburn occurs because ultraviolet rays from the sun penetrate your skin and damage its cells. This damage triggers inflammation, which causes the redness, swelling, and pain you feel. Your body immediately starts trying to fix the injury, but it takes a few days for the full impact to show. The damaged cells can't function properly and need to be replaced to keep your skin healthy. After a sunburn, your body speeds up the production of new skin cells to replace damaged ones. These new cells form underneath the old, dead skin layer. As healing progresses, your skin naturally sheds the damaged upper layer. This peeling is your body's way of removing the cells that were harmed by the UV rays, preventing infection and promoting healthy skin renewal. Peeling happens because the dead skin cells on your surface are no longer viable. Instead of absorbing moisture and nutrients, these cells become dry and flaky. Peeling removes this dead layer, revealing fresh, healthy skin underneath. This process protects you from infections and helps your skin fully recover. However, it also means your skin barrier is temporarily weaker, so moisturizing is important. In short, peeling is a clear sign your skin is healing itself after sunburn. While it might be uncomfortable or annoying, it's a vital step in restoring your skin's health. Next time you see peeling, remember it's your body's way of fighting back. Keep your skin hydrated and protected from the sun to help this process go smoothly. Now you know why your sunburn peels after a few days. It's your skin's natural repair system at work. Understanding this helps you care for your skin better after sun exposure. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious.